Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a boating license in Texas. This is very helpful because Texas requires a boater education certificate for certain operators, and having it makes sure that you can legally and safely operate a boat. So, first, you need to check if you're required to get one. So, in Texas, if you were born on or after September 1, 1993, you must complete a boater education course to operate certain types of boat. Next, go to an approved course provider like the one on your screen. So once you're there, you can start the Texas Boating Safety course online. The course will walk you through the basics like safety rules, navigation, and how to operate a boat properly. So after that, complete all the lessons and pass the final exam. And don't worry, you can usually go at your own pace, and the course is designed to be simple and easy to follow. So once you pass, you'll receive your boater education certificate, and make sure to keep it with you whenever you're operating a boat along with a valid ID because you may be asked to show it. And that's it. Just take the course, pass the test, and keep your certificate with you when boating. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.